the new EUC rule, it was earlier in 2012, but it was reformulated, and again somebody had filed a petition in the Supreme Court from the victim side, and then it came. And they put a multiple point which can regulate the caste bias, which can regulate the caste discrimination, all the educational issues. And the whole point people who are opposing this, they have the only 2 points. Most probably they have the 2 points. What are those? The first point is the definition of the discrimination does not recognize the general category. And the second point is the exclusion of this general category is making them as the victimhood. And the third is there can be the false complaint. Now our question is, in India, can you tell which law is not being misused? If the law is being misused by the people, then why this thing only is applicable to the EUC Act, which is supposed to give justice to the most vulnerable section of the society, marginalized society people. Those who are coming to this educational space for the first time, those who are being denied the education since very long, century, then how they will stay in the education and they will survive? If you want the same thing to applicable, then make it applicable to all the universal law. Why only to UGC Act? And the second thing, if you see the exclusion of the general category from the definition of the discrimination, which law the definition accept the oppressor as well? Can you name? There is gender law, gender justice law in the India. There is there are a lot of law regarding the women. Can you go and tell them this law is although against the women, but you have excluded the men, so it is the discriminatory against men? Can you tell like that? Is it? It will not, because the person who are suffering are the SC, OBC. They are the most people who are getting discriminated against this caste institution all over the India. Can you just show us the data that all general people is being murdered in the institution from the discrimination or by the discrimination of Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs? Can you show how many general people have died in the institution? Do you have any data? Definitely not. You do not have. How many Dalits, Adivasi have died? How many Dalit, Adivasi have you killed in the institution in the name of caste? Don't they have the right to study? Don't they have the right to stay in the public space? Then the demonstration against the UC Act, the kind of word is being used by these so-called upper caste and dominant caste people, show us the necessity of the UC Act. And this must be regulated within the university to have a democratic and equal space for everybody, where everybody can study without any discrimination, without any bias. The law has a lot of loopholes, but still the SA, Pondicherry University, welcome this. Although the Supreme Court has put a stay on this, still we demand this act to be implemented. And we support this. And that's why this gathering is. And they have even put a lot of casteist comment to the Prime Minister. Just because of this, the Prime Minister who was obviously suddenly came to the Delhi. The lot of castes come and that from everywhere, every business they will throw out the SST, OBCs, minorities. We'll show you who you are. This show their castes mindset. They do not want any equality space, any equal space in the university. What they want to continue it. The social allied people. They thought that this is their ancestral property. But from here today, this is not your ancestral property. This property, this university belongs to everybody equally. And at the same time, we also demand the Rohit Act. Because the UGC Act, everybody should know, this is not a act, this is not a criminal act. If you even do any wrong, what the maximum punishment will be? The maximum or the minimum punishment will be, they will give the notice, they will put the fine, then according to the civil, the university, the civil people, they will only decide what they will do. The maximum or any repeated policy if you are doing, then they will expel you from the university. And if it comes to the professor, they might transfer him, they might suspend him for some time. This is the punishment. Even the redressal mechanism is there. They are telling they do not have the redressal mechanism to file the complaint. But it is there. They don't know. And another thing what they are asking, it will be misused. Which law is not being misused? If you do not find any proof because of your incapability, it does not mean the case is false. These are the things that you must notice as a part of this university, as a student of this university. We should stand with the act and so decently the current state which is given by the Supreme Court. Still, we demand the Rohit Act. Because of this only, our people are being killed, our people are being ignored, our people are being discriminated in the university space. And education is everybody's birthright. Nobody can deny it. From here, we support this UGC Act and we demand the Rohit Act as well, the criminal act. Whoever is doing the offense, whoever is doing the wrong, they must be punishable. They must be punished. Thank you.
तुम कितना रोहित मारोगे,
हर घर से रोहित निकलेगा।
तुम कितना रोहित मारोगे,
हर घर से रोहित निकलेगा। जोहार रोहित मुल्ला।